Hey everyone, how are you? I hope my previous video where I have shared the powerful health affirmations, you have started using them in your daily life and you are seeing some significant and good results in your health, right? If you haven't checked out my previous video on health affirmations, then I definitely request you to go through my previous video. Make a note of all the health affirmations, which are very simple to remember and very easy to do it on a daily basis. You can probably keep it somewhere, and then you can start using them on a daily basis, right? So I'm sure, like how I have seen results in my health affirmations while using them on my daily life, as well as I have made them as my part of the daily lifestyle, you will also be having the same results and benefits in your life too, right? So today what I wanted to share with all of you is about something which is known as walking talking affirmations. But before that, I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce ourselves once again. So, my name is Mo. I am a mindset transformation coach and an energy healer. My sister Shamosri, she is also a meditation expert and an energy healer. So, we both are the founders of SNM, healing journey with us community. So, whenever you have time, you can go through all our previous videos and see. Which all things we have already shared, and you can start implementing them in your life as well. All right, so what is walking talking affirmation? Now, walking talking affirmation, by name itself, it is very clear, which means that you can do your affirmations while you are doing something. For example, अगर आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो, you can do your affirmations while you are doing your work as well. So which is like चलता फिरता affirmations. हमें हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि एफर्मेशंस मतलब हमें एक जगह पे बैठना होता है, आइज़ को क्लोज करना पड़ता है, एंड देन वी डू द एफर्मेशन, बट दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. You don't have to do all this. If you don't have time and you are really having crunch, of managing your time for doing your health, or money, career, relationship affirmations, then you can do the best way of doing all your affirmations at one go, which is like walking talking affirmation. पर walking talking affirmations में मैं हमेशा suggest करती हूँ हमारे students को कि you might not be able to cover all the four areas, for example health, career, money and relationship, because it will be very difficult for you to do it while you are working or on the go. So you can pick any one particular area. For example, if I'm picking for health, which I feel that health में मुझे थोड़ा बहुत और effort डालना है, and because of that I want to do my affirmations repeatedly for health. While आप morning में चारों areas के कर सकते हो, लेकिन throughout the day if you think that I want to do it little more for my health, then you can use the walking talking affirmations. So जैसे आप cooking कर रहे, you can actually start the affirmation as thank you universe, thank you divine, I'm having an excellent health, I'm maintaining my ideal body weight of for example 54 kgs or whatever number you have in your mind. वो आप सारे जो affirmations है health के वो आप बोल सकते हो. तो एफर्मेशंस करने का एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा important aspect है, where we say that when you are doing the affirmations, it should not sound like as if you are doing it in the form of a statement. It should always come with a emotion. So you should always indulge that kind of emotion, that kind of feeling, that kind of actions when you do your affirmations, right? Because affirmations subconscious mind में capture होने के लिए we do it on a repetitive way, right? So to make our subconscious mind convinced that this is actually part of our life and we have already achieved it, we will have to act like that, right? And often in the initial phase we face the difficulty of indulging that particular intense emotion or actions, while you do your affirmations, right? Not actions, but maybe majorly the emotions. So how you can do it while you do the walking talking affirmations. So emotions डालने के लिए in your affirmations I have a very simple and a very quick technique with which you will be able to get exactly the same emotion that you want to plug in your affirmation. Okay, so what you need to do is, for example, If I'm saying that I'm having an excellent health, which means I should feel very happy, I should feel very vibrant, I should feel very energetic, right? So if I want to plug this particular mix of emotions of, say, happiness, energetic, motivated, and very very charged up, then you will have to bring this emotion from somewhere and put this in your affirmations. Now, how do you do that? The best way is throughout your day, whenever you are doing certain things which you really like. For example, if you're eating chocolates and you just love chocolates, right? So while you are eating the chocolate, you can start. Because whenever you do something which you really love or which you really like to do it, you automatically your brain is automatically programmed to give you that particular emotion on that particular situation, right? So whenever you are eating the chocolate, automatically your brain will start sending the communication of happiness, fully charged up and fully energetic, because you love eating chocolates. So what you can do is, while you are taking the chocolate and you start feeling the happiness, you start feeling the all the positive emotions associated with the taste of the chocolate, immediately you can start doing your affirmations while you experiencing those emotion. For example, if I'm eating the chocolate, the first time when it melts on my tongue, wow, it feels so yummy. It feels, amazing. I feel so excited. I feel so happy, right? So the same way, whenever you put that chocolate and you start doing your affirmations as an, I'm having an excellent health, so you will see you are able to plug in the exact emotion of that feeling what you have when you are eating the chocolate into your affirmation of having an excellent health. You can transfer that happiness, that excitement, that motivation, that charged up emotion directly into the affirmation. So not necessarily only for chocolates, you can do it for anything that you like. For example, if you have gone out for shopping and you are having an ice cream and you just love having ice cream, so while you are eating while you are having the ice cream, you can start doing the affirmation. Now if you're sitting with a group of people, you don't have to do your affirmations loudly, because people will think that you have gone mad, right? So don't do that. In your mind, you can start thinking while you are eating the ice cream, like if you are, say for example, if you are eating some crispy brownie, hot sizzling chocolate ice cream, right? So the moment you put it in your tongue, you feel so yum, you feel so happiness, you feel, I mean, all your cells in the body gets literally charged up with so much of happiness, right? So immediately you can replace that and plug this happiness while you do the affirmations in your mind, that I'm having an amazing health, right? So you can do this for 2 3 sentences of your health, and I'm sure you will see that your results are getting expedited, and you will in fact, you will see that all that you're affirming, your results are getting manifested very very fast. And this hardly takes any effort for you to forcibly put your emotions in your affirmations, right? But the only thing is, you can't do for all the 4 areas, like as I said, while eating chocolates or anything that you like to do. If you do it for a longer period of time, sometimes your brain will start again getting interrupted, or might distract you with certain thoughts, because if it is for a longer duration, then it becomes really difficult for you to stay with the same level of emotion for a longer period of time. So do it fast, as and when, while you are eating anything. Or if you love swimming, so when you go for swimming, you might be feeling some kind of emotions, like you might be feeling very happy, you might be feeling very motivated. So when you are swimming, you start doing the affirmation of your health or any specific area for which you want to do it, and do it in your mind, or if nobody is around you, you can do it loudly also. But you will see that your emotions are automatically been plugged from the action that you are doing to directly into your affirmation. So this is a brilliant way how you can actually put your exact emotion what you want to have for your specific affirmation without putting any forced effort. So I hope this will be very beneficial for you, because I have used it in the initial days when I was literally struggling to put the emotions while doing the affirmation, and I have to think like how I can bring those happy emotions, the charged up emotions into my affirmation. So do your walking talking affirmation, because the more you do affirmations, it will get easy for the subconscious mind to capture them very fast. And if you do it with certain actions, with certain real emotions, that becomes really convincing for the subconscious mind and the brain to accept very, very fast, right? So I'm keeping this video really short. And as I said, if you haven't gone back to my previous video to see the health affirmations, quickly go back and see my previous video on the health affirmations. Make a note and start implementing them from today. And you can use the same technique which I have told you. So remember, always do something which you really love to do, and which particular thing can bring some sudden good emotions in your body. So like eating, maybe swimming, or any kind of other activity that can give you a shift in your energy level. So you can pick those 2 to 3 steps, or 2 to 3 actions and activity, with the help of which you will be able to put your appropriate affirmations along with the emotions at the same time, which is like walking talking affirmation. So all the best, keep sharing your results and let me know what wonderful results are you able to see when you have started using this technique of plugging in the emotions from some other activity and transferring them to your affirmations. I would be more than happy to see your results. And if you need any specific affirmations on specific issues of your health, you can let me know. I will be more than happy to serve you. All right. So take care of your health. And as I keep saying, that keep loving yourself and spread the love everywhere. So if you start accepting and loving yourself, you will automatically have very good health, right? So I see you in the next video. Till then, keep affirming and keep using this technique to make your affirmations turn into reality very, very fast.